Hey there, my beautiful people. If you're looking for fun, cute, and easy hairstyles that you can wear to school, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be showing you 15 of the best hairstyles that are perfect for school. 1. Sleek high ponytail. A clean, polished look that's perfect for active days. It's simple, keeps your hair off your face, and is universally allowed in schools. 2. Classic braids. Braids are always a great option when you need a hairstyle that will last all day. Plus, they're super versatile and work on various hair lengths. 3. Half up, half down hairstyle. Want to wear your hair down but keep it controlled? The half up, half down style gives you the best of both worlds. 4. French braid. This timeless style is not only elegant but also functional. French braids stay in place throughout the day, making them great for school or sports. 5. Pineapple updo. The pineapple is a go-to curly hairstyle for school. The curls will cascade down like a pineapple shape, keeping your hair away from your face while highlighting your curls. 6. Twisted ponytail. Simple ponytail with a twist, literally. This style gives a more elegant, finished look compared to a regular ponytail. 7. Headband hairstyle. Headband can transform a simple hairstyle into something special. Whether you leave your hair down or tie it back, a headband adds an extra element of style while keeping your hair in place. 8. Side ponytail. A side ponytail adds a playful touch to your look while still being neat enough for school. It's a great option if you want something a little different from the norm. 9. Curly high ponytail. Gather your curls into a high ponytail and secure it with a scrunchie or hair tie. This style highlights your natural curls while keeping them off your neck, making it ideal for hot days or sports. 10. Dutch braids. For a secure, stylish look, Dutch braids are a great choice. They're perfect for days when you don't want to mess with your hair but still want something fashionable. 11. Bow hairstyle. The bow hairstyle is an adorable and playful look that adds a unique touch to any outfit, especially for school. It's perfect for those who love adding a bit of creativity to their hair. 12. Slicked back bun. For a more formal or neat look, slick your hair back into a bun using gel or hairspray. This look is simple, sleek, and ensures your hair stays in place all day. 13. Space buns. It's great for keeping your hair out of your face while adding a touch of personality. You can make the buns sleek for a polished look or keep them messy and textured for a more relaxed feel. Perfect for days when you want a hairstyle that's both cute and practical. 14. Wavy hairstyle. Add some casual texture to your short hair with messy waves. Use a curling iron or braid your hair overnight for a loose, tousled look that's both effortless and trendy. 15. Crown braid. Create a crown braid by braiding two sections of hair from either side of your head and pinning them across the top, forming a crown around your head. This style keeps your hair off your face and adds a sweet, romantic touch. And that's it. 15 amazing hairstyles that are perfect for school. Comment down below. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe.